Hi, good evening. This is K2X. Since I post very morning, I can't really skip a day, so here I am again with today's update. Today I uploaded a new acoustic performance on YouTube K2X Music. It turned out pretty well, so I hope you'll take a moment to check it out. And on the K2X Global channel, I uploaded 3 more videos. The subtitles and translations have fully caught up yet, so the global channel is not completely aligned, but at least I managed to post 3 new ones today. Today's topic is introducing a member of my family. You should see a photo on the screen now. This is our beloved Java Sparrow, our pet bird. He came to our home on Christmas Day, the year he was born. And this Christmas, as he turned 5 years old. But what I really wanted to introduce today is not only the bird himself, but also this mysterious object. You see in the photo the thing he is standing on. Let me blank out about it a little. I call it the bird toy, a custom play stand-up I built for him. Normally he stays in his cage, but the moment he's let out, he immediately flies straight to this bird toy. After that, he flies around the house, but he always comes back on this stand. Sometimes climbing inside, sometimes sitting on top, like in the photo. I made the bird toy 5 years ago, right after he came to us. It's something I'm genuinely proud of. I don't think many people have something quite like this. It's an original K2X design. I've seen videos on YouTube of people making similar things, but they are usually a square-shaped frame with slightly rounded corners. Mine is a round, seamless structure, much closer to an ideal shape, with higher durability and a clean, beautiful finish. If I get the chance, I'd love to explain how I built it. Well, that's it for today. There's only one day left this year. I'll talk again tomorrow, so please look forward to it. Thanks for watching and see you next time. それではまた。